Today we want to look at the earliest signs of pregnancy. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Many people do not actually get to understand that they are pregnant until it's 3 or 4 months. And this is a long time for anyone to find out that they are pregnant. When someone is pregnant, to restrict what they can eat, which medications they can take, their overall lifestyle, because if you make any mistake during this early period of pregnancy, you could lose your baby or give birth to a child who has malformed body features. So it's always very important for someone to find out if they have conceived or not, often as early as possible. It's important to know the signs. And today we're going to dive right into that. Keep around. So we normally diagnose pregnancy by measuring HCG, which is human chorionic gonadotropin hormone, which can be detected in urine or blood, or we could do an ultrasound scan, which is actually the most accurate way to diagnose pregnancy. So before we go on, please like, share, subscribe, and comment on the page. YouTube will tell other people about this content so they can as well be informed. So if you do this, you help us create more content. Well, to go on, even at home, you can be able to tell that you have conceived because of the signs that we're going to dive in. How can you tell that you're pregnant from home? The first thing, which is often the most accurate, you'll miss your period. If you've had a period which is consistent, and then one time you've had sex and you miss 1 week or more, that could be a sign that you're pregnant. Other people experience nausea and they could as well vomit or not vomit. It's a normal thing, and by over 10 weeks, it should subside. And then because of the hormonal changes that happen, your breast could enlarge or become tender. That as well is a normal thing. So if you see this, it could be telling you that, you know what, I had sex and perhaps I have conceived. The other thing is you're always feeling tired and needing rest because your body is really active, hormones are taking over, there are lots of physiological changes happening. So you could feel fatigue and be needing rest. This as well is a normal thing, so you don't have to be worried. And it's one of the earliest signs that perhaps I've conceived. The other is you could see mild abdominal cramping with slight spotting. This may not happen in every person, but there is that period of implantation when the formed zygote now is attaching on the walls of the uterus. You could see a little bit of spotting, and it's a normal thing. If you see that, don't be worried. The other is mood changes. You could see your spouse having changes in mood. That as well is a normal thing. Someone may become irritable and stuff like that. Don't mind about that. And then there are changes in appetite. You could start craving for things which are really out of this world, or start hating the things you've been wanting to, enjoy most of the time. If that happens, it could be a sign that you've conceived. So these are normal things. If you notice this, it could be a sign that, you know what, perhaps I have conceived. Always reach out to your gynecologist if you have any concerns. And it's always good to find out if your conception has occurred normally, because sometimes it happens outside the uterus. Thank you for watching, and stay around for more videos like this.